There's a yeti coming. Save yourself. Hola YouTube. ¿Estás bien? Lo sí. That's Spanish for hello YouTube. Are you okay? Are you well? I thought you were. Jueves domingo 25 Julio. That is, today is Sunday the 25th of July. I'm just at a destination in Shropshire. I'm going to do a loop on the bloody flies everywhere still. Do a loop today on the trusty Tesla. Did you see that Yeti? Nice bikes. Just I'll put that in for a bit of a jester. So I'm going to do a complete loop of this place where you've probably seen I've ridden before, but I've now worked out you can go all the way around and then come back, and I've got some new bridle ways to put in today. But we'll start with this. Shoot. Just put those what 3 words in so you know if you want to do this ride I'm doing today, you can do. What was I going to say? No, it's gone. Just doing a mellow one today. So you will recognise these set of woods in Shropshire. I'm gonna still overgrown. I'm wearing the leg protectors as well because I'm fed up of having my legs gashed to pieces when I've got the knee pads on. So at least the shin and knees give me a full protection. So overgrown everywhere. I'll do a right here and join this lovely main track. Remember what I was meant to say now. It's free parking where I've just done what 3 words. So obviously don't come in your thousands like I've got that many followers. Yeah, this track that if you take and would have gone to the left there goes and joins the River Severn, but there you go, the Hall of Dudmaster. What I've managed to do is incorporate a complete loop of this place, start to finish, with just doing a bit more exploring every time I turn up. Oh, this is open. Yay! Auto close. This takes us down around the edge of the lake. I've ridden this winter, so completely different in the summer. Nice and dry as a bone. Dry as a bone but overgrown. Should be my new motto. Cut across here. And we'll disappear off up into the woods in a moment. This is where the reservoir dam is. And, not many people coming along here often. It's a lovely little bridge jump here, but you jump it, you're just going to go straight into the bushes. They have cut all this back and repaired this bit of bridge now, so it makes life a lot easier. Back in a moment. Let's try and get up this hill. Thank you, ladies. The lappy air climbs as well as it descends, like a French mountain goat. A creaky French mountain goat. I have found with this place, as long as you stay within the boundaries, you don't go much wrong. There's tracks like that that'll take you off towards the River Severn, but I can't guarantee that they are rideable or bridle ways. This place is just holds to its own, as long as you're careful on the main tracks. Let's get that thing at me tyre. As long as you're careful on the main tracks, you don't incorporate or meet any angry ramblers Validi, validi, valida, validi, valida. Whee. Now we're dropping back down where I climbed up. I'll do a cheeky right. Just doing it right here. Thank you. Rode this with the group of lads the other month. And it so flows nicely. Or flows so nicely. Sorry, my grammar is. Oh, he went the wrong way then. He went the wrong way and whoop, and a nice bit of air there. But what goes up must come down. Oh yes. Yeah. And the chain stayed on. That's the only trouble with this lap here. Oh yeah, there's a log that always gets in the way. The chain comes off when you're hitting the holly stuff. I can't find a chain guide to fit it, and also the chain tensioner I've put on is not doing its job. So the only thing I can do is, like I say, go for a clutch mech or a narrow chain ring, narrow wide chain ring. Now I'm going to go left here. Excuse me, thank you. Left here. Get stared at as if to say, you shouldn't be over here. Oh, thank you very much. Appreciate it. I've never been challenged though, as if to say, get off your bloody bike. I think most people think it's acceptable. Thank you, but as long as you're polite and you dingy dinger. Thank you gladly. That's for you, Chris. Oh, my arms are getting cut to ribbons on the excessive brambles growing. Just flow nice with that. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Ta. We're gonna go around the lake now and buy the house. So back in a moment. So right here in the day is, thank you, thank you. The manners is golden and all the gates are open, which is a bonus, and we got a sausage dog. Thank you. And thank you, Mr. Doggy. They're called a douche hound or something, or a douchebag. When they get older, their back goes and they're like, drag their tummy. This is the boathouse. Wow. And you can only get to it from the front with a man in the boat. Now this gate should be passable. Fingers crossed. Oh, what a crazy dog. Local perros, este. Always close them after you. The country code. This next gate is as far as I made it. Last time I came when it was all closed and the padlock was on. But today we have entrada, no salida, slam the gate, is it? And we drop down to the left. There's the hall. Lots of people here today, good for tourism. There's the lake. If I remember, I'll put a link in the description below to see my drone video of here I did about 2 months ago. Now this completes the loop of Dudmaston Hall. Oh, look at that little, oh, didn't see that bit of ruttiger. Come on, let's close. Beard, just missed the back wheel, and there we go. And this is where, a bit like Himley Hall, you get all the fishermen. Hands on hips. Thank you. Excuse me, just on your right. Thank you.
Okay.
That bloke had a werewolf neck. Like still on furlough. Or fur neck, not furlough. Probably quite high because it's on his neck. Hey, I'm here all week. Try the salmon. Just trying to swim through the brambles. And this gate is fun. Oh, what was that group from the 80s? It wasn't a flock of geese, it was a flock of seagulls. I said flock. All the, I think it's goslings, isn't it? The baby geese. There they are. See them just with mother and father. 3 there. Super nasty things when they want to be. Trying to scare them. See, oh, look at him. What's the matter? Yeah, we can all hiss, bitch. Come on, you lot. Wouldn't say boo to a goose. Can I come for a swim? I'm coming too. Come on then, let's dip. Back in a mo. Thought I'd squeeze this cheeky little trail in the same set of woods. I think people have been coming down here putting, yep, twigs across, or branches. God knows why. Why it's so lonely. Slide away. Just before we hit the new bridle path I found. There we go. Short and sweet. There you go. Sawmill car park. I will put 3 words in here. And this is new bridle ways I've discovered. And you can just sneak out this corner. We're just opposite Dudmaston cycle track. And I found this about a week ago. I'll go on this side. Hiya! So nice. Don't know what it's like in the summer. I've found half of it, but the other side of the road is going to be new trails to me. I bet that floods in the winter. So back in a mo. Okay, like I say, this is I rode this last Sunday. I know it's a bridle way because it's marked just before you enter the trail. And you come to a little country lane in a moment, and I did notice there's a bridle way opposite, but I didn't go that way because I'd already done about 30 miles. So just down towards this corner, I should be just looping off and coming back that way. And I found a new little bit, and it looks like green lane, where they take all their 4x4s and all the motorbikes go off. So this is like a sawmill loop, but it did show on the map where you can go. So this is all new to me along here now, so we'll come back in a moment. I think this trail is just basically a loop around the edge of some fields. There's nothing really too challenging. Like I say, the green lane bit I'll have coming up in a moment, but at least the weather's a lot more comfortable now, I think is the word I'm after, because up until about Friday we had that crazy heat wave which was 30 degrees plus, and if I'm going to go to Spain I'll be going around with air conditioned suit on, or with a big extension lead and a fridge on my back. So it's about 24-25 degrees today. There's a lovely breeze. 25 degrees and a lovely breeze. Thanks for joining me today on Yeti MTB, or Yeti EMTB. Now, where does this go? I think this is be good for a winter loop as well. So just It's about from my doorstep to this, like, my favourite destination of the Dud of the Maston. It's 10.5 miles, which is pretty good really. There's no real big hill, it's more hills coming down getting here, but when you're going back it's you've got a couple of cardiac arrests, inclines like this one. So as long as I can see the Merrill Flats, I know I'm not far. How many miles have I done so far? 17.8. So obviously it's about 6 or 7 miles of riding out and about. Surprised I haven't started to cut the crops yet, because with all that hot weather, cooked them good. Still, the ground is bone dry. Now we go left here, and then we should go left again in a moment. So, catch you on the flip side. Here we are. This is the green lane bit. Let's go and show. See the ruts where them 4x4s have been down. Like I say, discovered this about a week ago, just from looking at the map on good old Strava. The Strava maps give you more information than the normal maps do. Sounds like there's a motorbike coming on, not too sure. Yep, I can hear him. Gotta slow down a bit, I don't think I'm sure he'll hear my bell. Bloody hell, this is so rutty. This is where you need a motorbike, because you can just sit in the middle like this. A lot more easier. There should be a stream crossing down here, all being well. Oh, it's nice though. Meow. On my electric mountain bike. Here it is. Wow. Okay. Fresh tracks. Come on, follow me. Here we are. These are big Lego bricks. Let's do the finisher. Go off up. That way. Come look at a bit. I can't leave you, can I? You won't know what to do. Come on, let's carry on. You've been very good up till now. We continue. See, good job at all. Brought you along with me. I could have left you there on the Lego bricks. You've been lonely, oh so lonely. I have nobody on my own. Whoa. Ah, there you go. Anyway, let's carry on this green lane. Oh yeah, had lovely clean wheels coming through that Ford. And now we're in the dust. This is where my fat bike could be just going. Come on, baby, give me some more. This is nothing, Essie. And I'll pop out at the top, and you might recognise where we are. So dry, like sand dunes in the Sahara. Like I say, the E-Fat bike would be brilliant in these. I think they even probably do E full suspension. And this is the road that I rode towards Dudmaston on. And I've always seen this trail and wondered where it went, and now I know. So I'll do a finished vidicam in a mo. Catch you on the flip-flop side. Coming toward, well, I'm at the end now of my vlog, and it wouldn't be the same without come to see my old friend Pedro. You alright, mate? As long as you don't spit at me, I'll be quite happy. I'm doing it on the e-bike today. I think it's saying 28.4 miles. He's getting ready to hock a loogie by the look of it. Oh yeah, he's clearing his throat, having a sniff of the bike. What do you reckon? You're famous, you are. Pedro the famous. There's Dad down there. Anyway, like I say, no trip's complete without coming to see Pedro. I think I'm going to make him my mascot. No llamas were harmed in the making of this vlog. We'll go down and say hello to his dad, why not? Here they are. They normally have a llama off. Oh, he's having a dump. Oh, look at this. They've got like little shit piles. There's one there. Oh, I've never seen a llama have a dump. He says, do you mind? I'm trying to lay a cable here. Well, they're more like pellets. There's Dad. Hi, Dad. Daddy. Hey, Daddy. Hello. You're lovely, aren't you? So you don't gob. You're nice. You're right. Hello. Oh, you have got the cleft palate thing. You're nice, aren't you? Hello. See, Pedro's super leery. But Daddy's... Who's the Daddy? He's Matt's. He's Matt. His back's all matted. You're right. You must say hello to the camera. Oh, it's getting close up, isn't it? Smell nice. I should make you my mascot. Pedro's Dad. And that's Pedro. Whatever. No, you're going to gob. I don't like you. Another sniff. No, when my ears go back, I don't trust the bugger. Anyway, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Nice new gloss, by the way. I hope you notice. Click the ding dong and subscribe. Give me some comments. I think he's just trying to get in on the camera shot one more. Or on that terrible disappointment. Hasta pronto. Ciao.